We are going to construct a high-protein, energy-dense, late-summer breakfast bowl, specifically optimized for sustained physical endurance. If you have a morning of intensive manual labor ahead, like inspecting hives, extracting honey, or working the fields, this meal provides the necessary, sustained caloric fuel to complete the job. To execute this properly, we need a precise set of raw materials: 4 ripe peaches, raw Ontario wildflower honey, plain high-protein Greek yogurt, fresh blueberries and raspberries, granola, toasted nuts, and a specific blend of ground cinnamon, ginger, and sea salt. Building the perfect bowl relies on carefully balancing the thermal breakdown of the fresh summer fruit with the preserved, volatile floral notes of the raw honey. Step 1 is processing the primary raw material. Take your 4 ripe peaches and slice them evenly to yield about 4 cups of fruit. Keep the slices thick enough to maintain their structural integrity. If they are cut too thin, they will disintegrate rapidly during the upcoming thermal cooking phase. Next, we select our primary sweetening agent. As this radar chart illustrates, there are 3 ideal varietals of honey for this profile. Wildflower offers a complex floral note. Basswood introduces a light minty characteristic that pairs exceptionally well with fruit, while clover provides a classic, straightforward sweetness. Notice how the complex flavor metrics drop off steeply on the chart when we introduce processed supermarket honey. The honey to select must be raw in order to preserve those volatile floral characteristics. Sourcing a correct local raw honey establishes the entire foundational flavor profile for the final structure. Now we move to the thermal extraction phase. In a saucepan, combine the sliced peaches, 3 tablespoons of your raw honey, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a pinch of sea salt. Place the saucepan over medium heat for 5 to 8 minutes. During this window, the heat breaks down the cellular walls of the peaches, causing them to soften and release their internal juices. You are watching for a very specific texture. Looking at this side-by-side comparison, the left shows the rigid, raw peach slices. On the right is our target state, softened and glossy, but structurally intact. If you push past this point, the matrix collapses into a mushy jam. Once you achieve that glossy texture, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat source to arrest the cooking process. Allow the peach compote to cool slightly. If you transfer the mixture while it is still at peak temperature, the heat will melt the yogurt base during assembly, ruining the final texture of the bowl. By carefully managing this thermal phase, we isolate the sweet essence of the peach without destroying its physical integrity. With the components prepped, we begin the final construction phase. Lay down exactly 1 cup of plain, high-protein Greek yogurt into 4 distinct vessels. Next, evenly distribute the thermally stabilized, slightly cooled peach compote over each of the yogurt foundations. Now we deploy the secondary textural elements. Add a half cup of granola to each bowl, followed by a 1/4 cup each of fresh blueberries and raspberries, and finish with a scattering of chopped toasted pecans or almonds. For an added nutrient boost and a raw aesthetic, you can include an optional garnish of 2 tablespoons of bee pollen. The final execution step is a targeted, generous drizzle of raw honey, which seals the assembled ingredients together. Following this specific, rigid layering sequence ensures perfect flavor distribution. It prevents the yogurt from creating a soggy base and maximizes the crunch of the granola and nuts in every bite. We now have 4 fully assembled units, visually distinct and ready for immediate consumption. This breakdown isolates the payload: 520 calories, 28 grams of protein, 65 carbohydrates, 16 fat, and 8 fiber. It's modular. Peaches swap for plums, nectarines, pears, or apples. Injecting 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and hemp hearts makes the protein surge. By mastering this core farmhouse framework and adjusting inputs, you establish an adaptable breakfast protocol capable of fueling any late summer operation.